pata. Pinatender ko muna yung pata natin guys ha. I will make it tender for few hours. Hi guys! Ito na yung pata na pinakuluan ko for 3 hours guys sa slow cooker. Hello guys, look at my pata guys. Oh, ito na yung pata ko guys. Okay? Guys, sarap niya na. Wow! Hello guys, look at my pata guys. Oh, ito na yung pata ko guys. Okay? Pangalawa ko itong pinito. Ang gibidyohan. Wow guys, ito na yung pata ko guys. See? Merry Christmas, my pata. We have our visitor guys. Si Ate Tuning. So guys, ito na yung finished product natin guys. May sasawa na ako dito. Pata. Crispy pata. Okay? Hi guys, this is my chicken caldereta. So almost done. So that's very yummy. I was not able to show the process how I cook this one. I was a bit busy. This is our food for today, lunchtime, because we've got some visitors coming. So I hope they will enjoy this. Okay? Guys, ito na yung pork hamonado ko guys. With pineapple and I put some hot dogs. It's very yum. I taste already guys and it's yum. 100% yum. Okay? Wow. That is my salad. The window cathedral. And the cake. And another cake. And the lunch. That's Merry Christmas! Well, I wait no. Sisa, this is our rice. What's this other? Crispy pata. The bami. Again? That's look. Wow, lemon. Again. Para lang nako para hanap ra lang taon ba. Para na po itawo sa naon pero dili ra kayo ma-focus ang face. Thank you for watching to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and comment below. Thank you guys. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to each and every one of us. God bless. Bye.